Boxer crabs use sea anemones as boxing gloves. Boxer crabs use sea anemones as boxing gloves. Black kites use fire to smoke out their prey. Black kites use fire to smoke out their prey. Chimpanzees use a toolkit to catch termites. Thanks to Jane Goodall, the whole world knows that chimps use straw and blades of grass to fish for termites. But did you know they actually use more than just that to accomplish the task? More recent research has revealed that chimps sometimes use a shovel-like stick to penetrate termite mounds and then use a larger puncturing stick to drill holes in them. They then break out the familiar fishing probe to actually go after the termites, which they sometimes modify with their teeth to fray the edges, making it more effective. One type of beetle uses a poop shield. Ants use leaves like wheelbarrows to carry food. Even teeny tiny insects have been caught using tools. For example, scientists have observed 4 species of ants smearing jelly on leaf fragments in controlled experiments. The clever little fellows spotted the jelly that researchers set out for them, and then, after waiting between 5 to 60 seconds formulating a plan, perhaps, they would return with pieces of leaves and place them on the jelly heap. The ants spent 30 to 60 minutes adding and repositioning leaves before starting to drag the jelly-smeared leaves back to the colony, presumably to make adorable little peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Woodpecker finches use cactus spines as spears to hunt for bugs. Woodpecker finches use cactus spines as spears to hunt for bugs. Some wasps use pebbles as tiny hammers. Some wasps use pebbles as tiny hammers. Hawaiian crows used sticks to dig food out of holes. Hawaiian crows used sticks to dig food out of holes. Bottlenose dolphins wear sponges to protect their beaks. Bottlenose dolphins wear sponges to protect their beaks.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.